Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In front of me I have OPPO Watch X3 and today I'm going to show you how to set up the alarm clock on this watch. So let's get started. First wake up the screen on your watch and you can do it by pressing the Chrome button. Then press the Chrome button again to open the menu. Now scroll through the menu and look for the alarm icon, which looks like this. And once you find it, tap on it. And once you open the alarm menu, as you can see, I don't have any alarms yet. So to set up the alarm, you can tap on the plus button. Now set the hour on which the alarm should go off. And you can do it by swiping up and down on minutes and hours. Then tap on the check mark. And here we have the repeat option. And you can select or choose how often the alarm goes off. And we have ring once, so it will go off only once and won't repeat. Then we have every day, so it will repeat every day. Or you can tap on custom and you can basically choose specific days for it to go off on. So select the option you like and then tap on the check mark to confirm and your alarm will be set. And as you can see now in the alarm menu, we have our alarm and we can turn it on or off by tapping on the switch. We can also tap on it to edit the alarm and you can change the time, repeat option. You can change the ringtone for it. So there's quite a few more options basically when you edit the alarm. You can change the vibration options. We have pattern of the vibration. And you can also change the settings for remind me later. And you have intervals and how many times. Of course, you can change the previous options like time repeat. You can even name the alarm. So there's quite a few options if you edit the alarm. And if you go back, your changes should be applied. For some reason, it doesn't show the name, even though you named the alarm, but whatever. You can also add multiple alarms. So if I add this one, it will be added to the list. And you can also remove the alarms by tapping on one, scrolling all the way down, tapping on the bin icon, and the alarm will be removed. Okay, and that's how you set up the alarm clock on this watch. So if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.